Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your Instagram notification sound. So in order to do this, what you need to do is simply go to your profiles tab first, and then once you're inside your profile, you need to click on these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of your screen. And then once you do this, inside the settings and activity tab, you may scroll down until you see this option which says notifications. So click on the notifications and just go to any notification. For instance, let's say post, stories and comments, and simply scroll all the way down and you can see this option which says additional options in system settings. So click on this hyperlink and here you will be redirected to your phone's notification settings for Instagram. So choose any of these notifications type. So for example, I will choose the Instagram direct option right here, and then here you can see that the ringtone is currently set to default. So if you want to change this ringtone, you can click here and then choose any notification that best suits you. So for example, I will go to any classic themes and then I can choose any of the notifications that I want. So for example, let's say this notification. So then once you have done, you may simply go back and enjoy your new Instagram notification sound. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.